morning, friends, and welcome back to the homestead. So today we noticed that we were running really low on our feed, so we decided to go into town and pick up some feed from our local mill. So come on along while we bring it in. Alright, so we've got this car loaded down. I wasn't thinking when we left this morning and we should have taken the truck. Instead we took the car, and it is completely loaded with pig feed, chicken feed, and wild bird seed. So let me go ahead and get this loaded in. That was a workout. So we are definitely starting to increase the amount of feed that we're buying, only because with winter coming, we don't know what to expect here in Kentucky. So just in case we get snowed in for a week or 2 weeks, I want to make sure we have plenty of feed if we can't make it to our local mill. So every week we are trying to buy up at least 2 to 3 more bags of feed just to help accumulate it. And we have it right here on this way. It's up off the ground. It's not going to get wet. No rats or mice can get into it up here. It's safe. And I'm just going to go ahead and fill it up their buckets. Alright friends, thanks for coming by the homestead today while I unload our feed that we got for our pigs and our chickens. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well and have a blessed day.